Hello dear students, in this video we are checking what is artificial intelligence. In previous video we have already discussed what intelligence is. So let's proceed with what is artificial intelligence. So basically I will give firstly some overview. As you know, what is the meaning of artificial? Artificial is something that is made by humans. That is humans are making it or processing it. So it is made by humans. Artificial is something that is made by humans. And intelligence, as we have already discussed, it is related with thinking skills. So, what with artificial intelligence, what we are actually trying to do is putting intelligence into the machines. As we are putting intelligence, that why it is artificial. So, hence the term is mentioned artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence was first term that is used in John Anse Carthe in 1956. In this period, it was firstly used by this scientist, John Anse Carthe. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence which is created by humans beings. It is created by human beings by applying various scientific and engineering techniques. Means what we are actually trying to do with this is by putting some techniques, we have to make the machines intelligent. And this process of giving intelligence to the machines is artificial intelligence. So many researchers give different definitions to the AI to describe AI. So some of them are listed here. The first one is AI is the branch of engineering. It is a branch of engineering employed for the creation of computers. But we are creating computers that possess, that have some form of intelligence. That means we are creating computers that have some intelligence in them and they can solve real world problems and functions within a limited domain. That means we are creating an intelligent agent, artificial intelligent agent for a limited domain. It is not possible that we created an intelligent agent. For example, I created some machine and it can be used for all tasks. It is not possible. What we are trying to do with AI is we are creating a machine. Like if I create a machine that can predict different images, like as you see, if some image is given to this like cat or dog, it can predict that whether the image is cat or dog, example like this. So this can be done with AI. It is not possible that the particular machine can do prediction and other tasks also. So AI is working in limited domain. Next definition is AI is concerned with designing intelligent computer systems. We are designing the computer systems that are intelligent, which exhibit the characteristics we associate with intelligence in human behavior. So, what we are saying in this type of definition is that ki, we are putting the characteristics that are termed as intelligent in human behavior. Like we have power of thinking, understanding, or solving ambiguities. These type of characteristics, if put it into machine or a computer system, then we are consider it as intelligent. Next is AI is the art of creating machines. We are creating the machine that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. That means we are taking those tasks, and we are putting those tasks into the machine. This is human and this is machine. And if that machine can perform those tasks, then we are saying that it is an AI machine. Okay. So these type of many definitions exist and it is given by different researchers in the field of AI. So here, because of the abstract nature of AI, the nature of AI is abstract. That is why it is difficult to define intelligence as well as AI. We can't have some promising definition that is working all around the world and all over the lifetime. So it is not possible. So a working definition can be needed. So to give a working definition of AI, we firstly need to understand that what type of behavior is considered as intelligent. Obviously, we are saying that AI, that is artificial intelligence, and intelligence is put it into machine by human. So, to give the working definition, we firstly need to understand that what are the things that are to be included in the intelligence. So, here I have listed some points that are included in the intelligence, that these are the characteristics of behaviors that can be considered as intelligent. So, first is learning. Learning means to understanding, if you have learned some topic or some book you have read it, then you remember it. That is learning. Or if you have solved some mathematical problem, then with that example you can apply or many questions of that type. You can solve many questions of that type with a particular example being done. Understanding ambiguity. Ambiguity is confusion. Ambiguity is relates with confusion. We as human beings can simply deal with the situations that are confusing. For example, some sentences give a idea of confusion. So, in that type, if I say example of my friend, that my friend comes here, so I can relate, or my friend can relate that I'm talking about whom. It is something like this, that we are trying to understand the ambiguity, that context of the language or the sentence of which we are talking about. Handling the complexity. If something can handle the complexity, then it is intelligent. Responding quickly. For example, if we ask a question to a student, then he can respond quickly if he know answer. That's a normal thing. So, if someone respond quickly, then that characteristic or behavior is intelligent. Reasoning, we can reason. Inference is actually like as you have done some questions like if X is father of Y and Y is father of Z, then tell me the relation between X and Z. If this is the case, if X is the father of Y and Y is the father of Z, then tell me the relation between X and Z. So you will say they are having the relation of grandfather and grandson type. So this is example that comes in inferencing. Having vision, maintaining knowledge regarding a particular task, and drawing conclusions from the knowledge. As we have concluded this, from these are the knowledge. This statement are the knowledge, and we have concluded from this. These all are the characteristics. If these are included in some machine or some device, then they are considered as intelligent. So, to define AI, we must include the concept that include these particular type of characteristics. Okay, so after understanding these characteristics, we can clearly define what artificial intelligence is. So, it means when people associate with thinking, it includes several facets of intelligence. That is, intelligence can be in different form. So, a working definition. This is the definition you have to remember, that to program computers, if we want to program computers to carry out tasks that would require intelligence if carried out human beings. What does it mean? We are required to program those computers. We are required to program those computers that can carry out those tasks that would require intelligence if carried out by human beings. That means if learning is there, so we are putting learning is an characteristic of human. Learning is a characteristic of human. If I am putting this characteristic in computer, then I'll say it is an AI, artificial intelligent machine. Okay, so I hope you'll get a clear idea of what is AI, and in next video we'll cover the history and remaining topics. So till now, revise it, and thank you.